Now we see similar figures. Similar figures. Now you know globe, then maps, model of a building, are the examples of similar figures. So globe, map or model of a building, they are same shape of the original map or original model. So they have same shape but different size. So similar figures are those figures which have same shape and different size. Figures with same shape but different size are similar figures. Again, toy car, toy motorcycle, toy plane, all these are the similar figures. Now we see similar triangles. Similar triangles. Now congruent triangles or similar triangles, the one-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles is necessary. One-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles are necessary. So similar triangles are which triangles? The triangles whose corresponding sides are in proportion and the corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding sides are in proportion, that means the ratio of the corresponding side is same. So if the ratio of the corresponding sides is same, then the sides are in proportion. In congruent triangles, both the sides and the angles are congruent. But in similar triangles, the sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Now suppose here we consider these two triangles. Suppose this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. See here, they have same shape but the size is different. Now here, suppose this angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. So here the correspondence between the vertices is, if we start from this vertex of triangle ABC, so A, B, C. So here the corresponding triangles are angle A congruent to P, B congruent to Q, C congruent to R, and therefore one correspondence is A, B, C corresponds to P, Q, R. This is the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices. So ABC corresponds to PQR. So for this 1-1 correspondence, now if suppose now see here, the 1-1 correspondence is ABC corresponds to PQR. So if we consider this side AB, then here the side is PQ. If we consider BC, then QR, and if we consider AC, then it is PR. So these are the sides. Now here first we have to find out the ratio of the sides. Here AB upon PQ. For if AB is the side of this triangle, then its corresponding side is PQ. So we have to find out the ratio of AB upon PQ. It is 2 upon 1. Suppose this is first. Now we have to find out BC upon QR. BC is 4. It is 2. So again we get 2. Now AC upon PR. AC is 6, PR is 3, and therefore again we get 2. So from this 1, 2 and 3, all these ratio are same. If ratio, that means AB upon PQ, it is equal to BC upon QR, it is equal to AC upon PR from 1, 2 and 3. Now if ratio is similar, that means these sides are in proportion. The sides are in proportion and angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is the symbol of similar. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Now for the similarity of two triangles, we see that the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices is necessary. And here 3 sides and 3 angles are there. So these are the 6 conditions. So out of these 6 conditions, if any 3 conditions are fulfilled, then the two triangles are similar, and after that the remaining 3 conditions are automatically fulfilled or automatically satisfied. So depending on the 3 conditions, depending on three conditions, the different tests of similarity are first test of similarity is AAA test. AAA test means angle, 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 or simply AA test, that is angle, angle test. Now AAA test or AA test. Now if we know only 2 angles, then the third angle can be calculated by using angle sum property, and therefore instead of writing AAA test, we can simply write AA test. Now again, AA test means we have to consider only the angles of two triangles. So here, suppose here this is a triangle, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Now here, if this angle A is congruent to angle P and angle B is congruent to angle Q, then the two triangles are similar by AA test. So again here the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices is necessary. So here this is angle A. We start from, if for first triangle, if we start from this vertex A. So A, B, C, then here it is P, Q, R. And therefore 1-1 correspondence is ABC corresponds to P, Q, R. So here angle A in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First we consider these two triangles, then write down the 1-1 correspondence, and then angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, and therefore here triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by AA test. Now how we have to write down this AA test? So for the 1-1 correspondence, or if the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, test is written as for a 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles if the two angles of a triangle are congruent with the corresponding two angles of other triangle, then the triangles are similar by AA test. So this is the AA test. Now second test is SAS test, that is side angle side test. Now here I will only explain this SAS test. You have to write down this test from last year's copy. So here, now see here, side angle side means two sides and included angle, or the angle between them is given. Two sides and the angle between them. So here suppose this is one triangle, suppose this is another triangle, P, Q, R, and suppose it is X, Y, Z. Now suppose here this side is 2, this is 4, and this angle Q is congruent to angle Y. Now see here, in these two triangles PQR and XYZ. So if we start from this vertex, now if we find out the ratio of PQ upon XY, if we find PQ upon XY, we get 4/2, that is 2, then QR upon YZ, it is 6 upon 3, that is 2. That means ratio is same. So the sides are PQ upon XY is equal to QR upon YZ. So these sides are in proportion, and the angle between these two congruent, angle Q congruent angle Y, and therefore here triangle PQR similar triangle XYZ by SAS test. So again here the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices is also necessary. It is PQR corresponds to XYZ. So this is second test, side angle side test for similarity. Now the third test is SSS test. That is side, side, side. So here the three sides are considered. Now see here, suppose this is one triangle, this is another triangle. Suppose it is LMN, and suppose it is XYZ. Now suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 1.5, 3, this is 2, this is 4. Now here in these two triangles, if we find out the ratio of LM upon XY, LM upon XY we get 1/2. Then MN upon YZ, it is 1.5 upon 3. So it is 15/30, that means 1/2. Now Ln upon XZ, it is 2/4, that means 1/2. So all the ratios are equal, that means the ratios are in proportion. So it is Lm upon XY is equal to Mn upon YZ, it is equal to Ln upon XZ. And therefore triangle LMN similar triangle XYZ by SSS test. So here again the 1-1 correspondence in triangle LMN and triangle XYZ. The 1-1 correspondence is LMN corresponds to XYZ. So the definition of the test is, for the 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if the three sides of one triangle are in proportion with the corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar by SSS test. All these three tests you can write from 9th class textbook, because the test of similarity also done in class 9th. Now homework is solve exercise 1.3.